Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I will tell you about Photopea, an online Photoshop alternative that can be used anywhere, wherever you have internet and a browser. So I am using Photopea on my mobile phone, and let me tell you that it is as good as Photoshop, but also free, and also it can be used on any device. It can also be used on your PC, on your Mac OS, or wherever you want to use it, even your mobile phones. I am using currently on my mobile phone. So to use it, if you want to create a project, just hit new project, and you can select different kinds of projects how you want to create it. There are some social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and ads, and 2N as well, whichever one you like. For example, let me choose 4K. You can see you can change the name of the project, width, height, background, DPI, and profiles. You can also change the color of bit colors, 8-bit, 16, or whichever bit you want to prefer. You can also search and use some templates. This is as good as Photoshop, so you don't have to worry about anything. If you open up with your computer, you can import any picture that you want. For example, I imported my wallpaper that I am using on my mobile phone, and also you can share it as PNG, JPG, and PSD, yani कि Photoshop document or whatever it is called. You can also import your Photoshop projects and then use it, and you can edit them whenever you want to edit. You can enable small changes or even edit entirely of the project. So there are lots of things here. I am not a Photoshop user, so I'm not sure what things that we can expect from this app. So you can check it out for yourself and use it however you want. Depends on your usage. If you think this is better than Photoshop, then you can save a lot of money, but if not, then Photoshop is the best choice for you. One thing that I really liked about this app is that you can just go ahead and full screen it, and you do not have to worry about anything else. You can also turn on auto rotate and do the landscape mode, but this landscape mode is not optimized for my mobile phone. I don't know why, but still. You can also import images. I actually love this black and white edition of my wallpaper, but anyways, I'm still gonna use the red one because I like red. You can also do some lots of changes. I don't know what I am doing here, but you will know if you wanna use it or just wanna use the. You can also search for Photopea tutorials on YouTube and set you know how to use it. You can also import some images that are available here. For example, this little image I imported from the photo icon, and you can also change some stuff here. This is the information, adjustment, and things like that. What should I do now? I don't know. Let's try and change some colors. Oh, better. Some color schemes are not good really. I like the original RGB one. Let's not change that. Also, if you wanna import cars like I do, simply search for cars and remove your keyboard, and looks like I have messed up something here. I don't know what I am doing, but there are really good cars photos here. You can change it. Also, I already showed you how to remove the backgrounds automatically in my previous video. You can use remove.bg to remove automatically the backgrounds, and you can also import those here. That was just how to remove the backgrounds, but this one here is like how you can do anything, absolutely any editing you want. Okay, someone is messaging me, but I'm busy right now, boys. Can't talk right now. I'm gonna finish up the video and then I'm gonna reply you. Okay, there's nothing else to talk about because I do not know how to use Photoshop. But if you want to use Photoshop and cannot pay for it, this is the best alternative that you can find. The best thing, it can be used on any device, including your mobiles. Just all you need is your internet connection and a browser. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.